Hi, this is Lou from Foothills Properties. I'm in Ambercrest, which is near Continental Ranch in Marana, and I'm on a street called Lost Bird. In fact, I'm at 7111 Lost Bird. It is a single-story home with a three-car garage. It's a larger home, and I'd like to give you a tour of it. So I'm looking at the entry to the street, and the street does have a cul-de-sac end down there. I guess I'm saying we're at the entry to a cul-de-sac. I'm walking up to the house, and as I said, and you can see, we have a three-car garage, a tile roof, a really nice contemporary styled home. We're at the front door. When it's unlocked, I will enter. We're in the entry hall, and I'm going to reach behind me right now, and I'm closing the door. And so I'm backing up as I do that. It's cool in here, and it's a little warmer outside. The key box was holding it open. I'm sorry for fumbling. All right, so we're looking straight ahead at the living room or great room. To my left is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Ahead to my left, you see that opening. That's the master, and then on the right is the family room. Sort of a mom or dad or family cave, because it's a little separate from the kitchen. A nice big kitchen with a island, and then the 3-car garage. So I'm going to turn here to my left, and I'm going to walk up to the front room. And this is the very front bedroom. Now that we're exiting that bedroom, we're going to turn slightly to our left and take a look at the bathroom, the hall bath. This is the second bedroom. There is a ceiling fan there with the light kit on. I'll walk in and turn this time the other way so you can see the closet. All of these bedrooms in the whole house have higher ceilings. They're beyond 8 feet. I don't know how high they are. They might be 9 or 10. And here we're at the third of the guest bedrooms. I'll walk in. You can see there's plant shelf up there. Not that anyone probably puts plants, but maybe pots. We'll call it a pot shelf. We're back into the entry. There's our coat closet. Now we're looking at the great room, the living room. We have the dining room area right here. You can see the chandelier, which is up. It could, once the table's there, it could be dropped, and the ceiling fan in the living room area. We'll walk ahead. This is the master suite, the mom and dad suite, the owner's suite. I don't know what you call it, because it's different depending on who lives here. Again, nice ceiling fan with a light kit. We have a large bathroom. We have the stand-up shower. We have a garden tub. We have the double vanity. One vanity is larger than the other. I guess I know who gets that. And is well deserved for that person, Mom. And then we have a large closet with good hanging space and good built-in shelves. We'll take a look at that again. We're out into the living room, great room. We're looking at the door. This is the door to the backyard. It's ajar. I will open it, go out, pull it closed slightly behind me, and then give you a view. It's a large yard. The neighbor behind sits up, but the fence really makes it private. And then the neighbor next to us, you can see. But again, you have a private yard. All right, I'll push open the door. We're looking at the dining room area. We're in the entry to the kitchen and to the family room area. And the reason I call it a cave is I've been in several of these where people were living, and one of the spouses in one of them referred it to the man cave. So I sort of picked that lingo up, as they say. That is where the TV would be, or the phone, I can't tell. Looks like there's a TV outlet and a phone outlet on either side. So you have your choice. It looks pre-wired. We're looking at the kitchen. We have this nice island here with a breakfast bar. We have a black appliance package. You can see that it's a 5-burner stove with a microwave above, a 2-door refrigerator with ice and water through the door. Here we have the laundry room. It does have hookups for both gas and electric dryer. And this door was open. I'll open it again. And we can see the size of the garage. And just to give you another perspective, since I'm here, I'm turning the camera as we go. There's the 3-car garage. Both doors have remote openers with remotes, and there is the hot water tank and some extra carpet from when the carpet was put in, as well as some extra tile. Okay. Here's another view of the kitchen. The family cave, we'll call it that from now on. The living room, looking back at the entry to the master, the breakfast area, or the dining area if you choose to use it that way, and then on our way out, 1 bedroom, another bedroom, hall bath, and the 4th bedroom. I'll pull the door closed behind me, and we're out for a street scene. And this is the house at 7111 Lost Bird in Ambercrest in Marana. I thank you for taking time to look at the tour and wish you a great, great, great Tucson day, or a great day wherever you are. Thank you.